Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie and today we're going to look through bread, toast, crumbs, recipes for no-knead loaves, and meals to savor every slice. The author is Alexandra Stafford with Lisa Lowry. Let's check it out. I Love Bread. Came out in 2017, I believe. Off to a good start with pretty photos. Ooh, off to a really good start. Do I see a panzanella salad? I think I do. Let's check out the table of contents. Introduction, loaf to crumb, the peasant bread master recipe. Ooh, bread is a chapter, toast is a chapter, bet we'll see some avocado, and the last chapter is crumbs. And there's an FAQ or FAQ at the back and troubleshooting. So here's the introduction, the author and her children. Okay. Let's get baking. Okay, equipment, flour, yeast, etc., etc., etc. Cute kid alert. Okay, the peasant bread master recipe. I love step-by-step photos. Thank you for those. Now we're in the bread chapter, and the sub-chapters are savory boules, free-form breads, or sweetbreads. All sounds good to me. Oh, this is great. There's tips on preserving bread, such as freezing the loaves or freezing the crumbs or making dried breadcrumbs or making it ahead. 4 tips to ensure each loaf is a success. This is great. Okay, first recipe of the book. 3 seed bread makes 2 loaves. Hey, that's fair because if you're going to all that work, I want more than 1 loaf. Rosemary semolina bread with pine nuts. Quinoa and flax bread. I'm sorry, that sounds too healthy. I can't do it. Beer bread with golden raisins and walnuts. I hope there's a picture. And einkorn bread with sesame, onion, and chives. Oh. Okay, which is which? Oh, there's the raisins. Oh, that's the supply. Okay. Walnut bread. Well, there's the walnuts and there's the... But what does the bread look like? Honey whole wheat bread. Anadama bread. Oatmeal maple bread. Yay, a picture of what the bread's supposed to look like. Bulgur bread. Multigrain cereal bread. Kalamata olive bread. This would be the first thing I cooked out of this book, or baked out of this book. And it's a no-knead recipe. Apple, almond, and thyme bread, roasted garlic bread, rye bread, potato bread, spicy jalapeno corn, and jack bread. Well, what do you mean, and jack? What's jack? Oh, Monterey Jack. Excuse me. Cranberry walnut dinner rolls. How fabulous would that be at Thanksgiving? Hamburger buns. I've never made no, I tried to make them once and they came out edible but weird. Okay, buttermilk pull-apart rolls. Great for breakfast or dinner parties. Okay, wow. I think that's a piece of latte. And focaccia with grapes. Individual breakfast shakshukas in bread. Yes, because shakshuka is too spicy for me. So if I have bread in it and sour cream or something on the side, it really helps me get through the... Whew. Okay. Peasant pizza. No need. Okay. Savory monkey bread with Gruyere. You know you want to make that. I mean, cheese and bread. Oh, step-by-step photos for the brioche with hazelnut cream swirl. Thank you for the step-by-step photos. And here's how it comes out at the end. Okay. I need to skip ahead because I shouldn't show you the whole book. We're already in the sweetbreads. Pumpkin harvest bread. How did that happen? Chocolate studded panettone, whatever. Earl Grey tea bread, cinnamon swirl bread. Okay, now we're in the toast chapter. In the sub sections are salad, soups and starters, sandwiches, entrees, and sweets. Okay. How about avocados like we all predicted. Nice. Truffled pate with melba toast and quince jam and homemade melba toast. Endive and fava salad tartines with herbed ricotta. That's nice for summer. Seafood bisque in bread bowls. Oh my gosh, my boyfriend would be so happy. Eggplant caponata, but no picture. Bruschetta. Okay, we don't need a picture. We know what bruschetta looks like. Tarragon chicken salad sandwiches. And how about leek ham and Emmental croque madame? For those of you that like eggs on your sandwich. Mussels with saffron, creme fraiche, and grilled olive oil toast. This is where it becomes a cookbook, not just baking book. Roast chicken legs and toast. I wouldn't have thought to serve that on toast. Okay. Savory French toast with thyme. Hey, and I grow thyme on my kitchen patio. Breakfast strata. Here's a summer vegetable strata. I haven't made a strata in a long time. Beet cured salmon with herbed cream cheese and toast. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead. Apple charlotte. Strawberry shortcake with whipped cream made out of bread. Now we're in the crumbs chapter. What is going on? Salads, soups, and starters on the side. Pasta, meatless mains. Thank you for that. I'm vegetarian. Meat and fish and sweets. And we're almost done with this pretty cool cookbook. Kale Caesar salad, halloumi and bread skewers, homemade dried breadcrumbs, green gazpacho with tomato salsa and breadcrumbs on top, escarole leek soup, roasted tomato and bread soup. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. What's this? Zucchini fries with tzatziki made with your own homemade breadcrumbs. Wow. Orecchiette with brown butter, Brussels sprouts, and crumbs. Now that's a good way to eat healthier pasta. I eat a lot of pasta. I need to throw more vegetables in it. Orzo gratin with feta, tomato, and shrimp. Wow. Savory bread pudding with butternut squash. Twice baked eggplant parmesan with your own breadcrumbs. This is clever. I like this cookbook. Okay, lime gelato with toasted coconut crumbs, etc. We're getting into the desserts. That was kind of surprising. I wasn't sure what to expect. I like it. That's Bread, Toast, Crumbs, Recipes for No-Knead Loaves and Meals to Savor Every Slice by Alexandra Stafford. If you like our cookbook reviews, you can see more of them on our website, cookbookdivas.com. We also have a podcast for those of you that like to listen to people chattering about cookbooks. We post videos on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and occasionally Pinterest. And if you enjoy our cookbook reviews, please be sure to click like and comment. Say something nice, please, or don't say anything at all. And when you click like and comment and interact with our posts, it teaches the Facebook or Instagram algorithms to show you more of our posts. Bye. Thanks for watching.